Right. So you've got your AI agent set up, and now you're itching to see it work. But how do you get your AI agent to live and work in your folder? Let's start by going to obsidian.md. Go ahead and download the software first. Obsidian is a free software that allows you to quickly generate, store, and share notes. Everything is stored as simple text files on your computer, and this means there's no cloud upload. So everything that you're writing, doing, that you're thinking of, it all stays on your computer as your own intellectual property. When you open Obsidian, you're given an option to create a vault somewhere on your computer. A vault is a place where you want to store all your important documents. So click on Open Folder as Vault, then click on Second Brain Folder. Once that's done, you'll be brought to what's known as your Obsidian Vault. Now, we don't see our agent anywhere yet, so we now need to find a way to bring our agent in. So you're going to click on the gear icon at the lower left, and then you click on Community Plugins, then turn on Community Plugins, then browse for Community Plugins. In the search bar, type in Terminal, and then click on Lean Terminal. When it's installed, click on Enable. Now you're going to go back to the Community Plugins page, and you're going to see Terminal. Click on the gear settings icon, and then go ahead and click on Download Binaries. This will trigger the download for all the files you need to set up your terminal. When you return to the Obsidian screen, click the Open Terminal button. And this panel you see here, that's the terminal you saw in the past two videos. So go ahead and type in Codex, press Enter, and there you go. Your AI agent is now started up in your folder. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you examples of what the AI agent is now able to do. I'll see you in the next one.